Hello, hello viewers. Today here I am with a new offer from WeChat. That is what you can do from WeChat is now they have given option for to earn money from WeChat. Like when you go to WeChat, you can earn money. Just it will WeChat will came up with WeChat reward for 2015 to September, and here is the details for your reward. Like what you have to do is basically you have to create a WeChat group, and you have to send stickers in that for the for from September 1st. Sorry, I was late for the day. And here it was started at the World Sticker Day. So for what you have to do is keep sharing stickers with your friends from 1st to 25th September and maintain your free balance of rupees 250. So how to do this? Let's go and have a look. So first of all, you have to create a WeChat group. So for WeChat group, just click on this plus button and go to group chat and select the users which you want to make a group for. Select, and please remember that you must have at least 3 users active in the group. So okay, already made my group. So here's the zone. I have made the group, and what you can do is just click on stickers, and you can send the stickers here present, or you can download more stickers in plus icon, and you can send it. Just click on any one of them and just send it. And after sending the sticker, you have to remember that you have to send it daily, and for this widget will provide you the coupons and vouchers worth is 250. Okay, so just then after that go to WeChat team and go to rewards and check my balance. So okay, that's it. Here you can see, like I have sent the today for 1st September, 2nd September. Here I've got the tick mark. So just you have to do what you have to maintain the balance of 250 rupees all over the day, and you'll be able to redeem your balance after that. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and keep liking and subscribing our channel. You'll be updated soon with new offers. Thank you.